Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone, and this is Bridget's equipment from Maryland. And this is the initial checkout of this telephone. And we have some issues that we need to resolve. And we're going to go through the telephone a little bit since this is the initial checkout. Now, we want to go ahead and show you the handset. And I'm going to shake it a little bit. If you can hear that rattling around in the handset, we're going to take the transmitter out, and what we find is a T1, and that's the wrong transmitter element that's supposed to be in this telephone. We should have an F1, and so we'll be installing an F1 transmitter into the handset. Now, we also have an issue with our line cord. We're going to install the proper line cord. This is a 6-conductor line cord, and we want to go ahead and install the proper type line cord. And so we'll be doing that. We also want to give you a look at this telephone. I have it apart. Show you the inside. We want to go through our rotary. We want to go through our hook switch. We want to check our network. We want to make sure all of our connections on all of our wiring are proper and that they're tight. We want to go through the solenoids. We want to make sure that the bell is adjusted properly and that it's working. So we'll be going through the whole telephone, and we're going to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. But we want to run through a little bit about what went on first. We went ahead and changed the T1 to an F1. We cleaned our connections. We also cleaned the connections at the receiver capsule. We checked our handset cord. That checked out good. We went through our rotary. That was cleaned, oiled, and adjusted. And we have a nice, smooth return on our rotary now. We also went through the hook switch. That was cleaned. We went through the network and the rotary connections. We wanted to make sure that this unit was wired properly and all the connections were tight. And we went through the solenoids. We made sure that the bell was working properly. We did adjust the bells. So we went through the entire telephone. We installed a line cord about 7 feet on this unit with the proper RJ11 plug for any modern jack. So we want to go ahead and start our checkout, but we want to mention our amplified pickup. Now, we use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. Now, since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static or hum or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and push the button on the amplifier, and you should pick up a little bit of a hum. We've had some noise in the atmosphere lately, and I'm going to go ahead and push the button right now. I'm going to let off of it. I'm going to push it one more time. And I'm going to let off of it. So if you hear any noise or hum while we're checking out the telephone, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. So we want to use the analyzer, and we want to send a ring cycle, so we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. We'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I want to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out, we have transmit and receive, we can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation. We call the time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll call that number.
Good evening. Today is Wednesday, October 5th. The time is 9:04. Current temperature 73 degrees.
Partly sunny today, showers likely with thunderstorms, highs in the lower 80s, mostly clear this evening, lows in the mid-60s. Partly cloudy Thursday, highs in the mid-80s.
Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Bridget and she can enjoy this telephone now. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.